Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. When you collect the data, it is quite likely possible that there may be duplication of records. So what we want is that the Excel identifies these records and it removes it. So how we can do this? Let's go in the Excel workbook. Deliberately, I have entered some records which are duplicates, which are repeating. So first of all, let's convert this range data into the formatted table. So click in Insert, Table, click OK. Remove duplicates is activated. Click on it. So it will ask that the duplicates are to be identified on the basis of what? On the basis of the registration number of the student, name of the student, date of birth, graduation, specialization, marks in first semester, marks in second semester, or all, right? So if you activate all these tabs, then the identification of the duplication will be much easier. If you want to identify duplication only on the basis of single column, then unselect all and select, let's say, specialization. Then all those records which are duplicated will be removed. We don't want that. So select all, click OK. It has given me the warning 3 duplicates were found, removed, and 20 unique values remain. Now let's see, if we had gone for activating only graduation, what result it would have given to us. Remove duplicates, unselect all, graduation, click OK. Can you see? Only the unique values like BCom, BBA, BCA, BN, BSc are written. All others are treated as duplicates. So we will never go for this option. Press Ctrl Z and remove duplicates. Make sure that you select all of them. So this is how you can handle duplication of records in Excel workbook. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.